thought you knew that I did this. You can have him, but he licked it. Banana, then I split it. Talented and gifted. I guess the table shifted.
Like a whole brand new bitch. Bussin'. Bitch, I'm bussin'. I feel like a whole.
Good morning. So I really think I am gonna switch to like every day for vlogging. It's the last week of work and then we have winter break, and I think I'll be able to manage a daily vlog up until Christmas, being on winter break. But anyway, I woke up all early this morning and I didn't vlog Sunday because that's usually my editing day, and then I didn't really vlog yesterday because I couldn't get up Vlogmas on Sunday because it was long. So it took a long time for it to render, and then it took a long time for YouTube to check if it was like any copyright claims or any restrictions on like before I posted it. And there was, so then I had to re-render it to take out the part that was restricted. And it's finally just finished at like 5 o'clock this morning, which is Tuesday. Well, that's when I just checked it. That's when I woke up. So it will be live today at like noon, even though it should have went up Sunday. But anyway, we're going to do a little conversation later, but I'm finna get ready for work because I actually have to go into work again. I woke up all early. I'm about to go meditate. I'm about to meditate and then get dressed for work. Don't y'all love my morning voice? Ain't it sexy and raspy? A joke. But yeah, see you in a minute. We gonna talk about Christmas gifts today. Ouch. So I had to find an empty classroom. I was rushing. Then I went outside and it was brick. So then my eyes started watering, and now we're giving very much battered woman. And I've had to wear my mask. It's just not, it's not a very aesthetically pleasing look. And why am I reapplying my lip when I have to wear a mask in probably 30 minutes and my makeup doesn't even look good enough to film? Maybe if I sit back, I'm gonna just stay back from the camera. And do my makeup, I hate it. Very much battered woman. That's what it's giving. Yeah, and I don't like using this gloss when I don't have nothing to wipe it on because I don't want to contaminate the clearness of it. She needs a paper towel. All she needs. I need to watch on this time while I'm playing. Watch the time. So I'm applying white between every, yeah. See how that lip came to life? You see how the lip came to life? Lip so popping, it takes away from the terribleness that is my under eye area right now. All right, so hopefully have time 17, gotta be somewhere at 45. Can she do it? Can she do it? Yeah, it doesn't look as bad when I sit back. Sit back. All right, this is what we're giving though. Cute, battered woman. Let me stop saying that because like I'm not trying to like diminish domestic violence. But this under eye is just giving me both of them just sickly, unblended, amateur. Hate it, absolutely hate it. Let me pause that real quick and just, you know, it's getting close to Christmas. It's the last week of school, but I'm thinking about Christmas. And you know, if I didn't already have it, you know what's one thing that I would want? My Teddy Blake bag, because like for the longest time I was carrying another bag. But then I got this one and it holds my entire life, okay? Number one, look at how sexy this bag is. I get so many compliments on this bag. So many compliments on this bag. And I love it. Y'all already know like the crocodile embossing is it. With the logo, the detachable strap, 2 big pockets. Do y'all wanna? I should do a what's in my bag because baby, you know what? Let's just go ahead and pull out what's in my bag. It just has so much space. And I love it. It's durable. When I say I've taken this mug everywhere, look at how big these smart bottle. And you didn't even know they was in there, baby. Space. Let's talk about space. Let's continue to talk about space. Another wallet. We got some, ooh. We got some bobby pins up in there. Hand sanitizer. Keys, headphones, glasses. Let me just put these on for, just to continue to give y'all the tea. My lashes are probably too long. But, you know what, that helps cover up this makeup. So we'll just do it like that. I really just love this bag for how much space it has, how it goes with literally everything. It's my travel purse. It's my everyday purse, but it's definitely like, this is the purse I would grab when I'm traveling because you know we fly Southwest. You get your two check bags free and a carry-on. If I do want to like, you know, dial it back some, I have so much space in this bag. It's kind of like, I mean, it is a carry-on, but it's kind of like, it could be my only carry-on. It just has that much space and I love it. And it's so durable because when I say this is a luxury bag, I'm honestly not used to luxury. Everything that I do have luxury was gifted to me in one way or another. So I'm rough, okay? And when I say this baby has been through a lot, but look at it. Do you see any damage? Do you see any damage? You wanna talk about durability? I'm really liking myself with these glasses. I'm sorry, I'm distracted by how cute I am. You wanna talk about durability? Am I rough ass? Oh. The TB bag is for you, okay? I need more. I have to add, like now I want a collection. Like, you know how people like collect designer bags? I will be collecting Teddy Blake bags, designer Teddy Blake bags, like everything. So they have up to 70% off for the holidays. Run it up, catch these sales, catch these deals. I also have a coupon code, TBTangia20, save you some coins on your order. And yes, I will, we disclose around here. If you use my code, I do get a little change, a little kickback, you know, a little kickback. But that's only if you purchase, you know, after the sales are going. So if you're going on the site now with the link, it'll just tell you that you found it from me, but I won't get any percentage from that because they already have sales going on. When the sales are over and you decide to use my code, then that's when I get a little kickback. But regardless, don't even worry about what I'm getting. Worry about what you're saving and having a durable bag that's gonna last you. Like, I really wish my bag needs its own vlog so y'all can see what it goes through and how I be tossing this mug like it's not luxury. Like it's, I'm sorry, Teddy. I'm so sorry. I'll do better. I'll do better. But yes, you definitely need a Teddy Blake bag in your life. Just one. Just one. Just one. So I'm absolutely in love with this bag. So if you have not already gotten your girl something or gotten yourself something, that would be a nice gift That would be a really nice gift. If you want to gift me another one, that would be a really nice gift. I really need to get a P.O. box. Anyway, I'm over here. What time is it? Oh, I got 15 minutes. Time flies. I have to cover a class in a minute. I think I'm gonna keep my glasses on today. I feel really cute. I feel really cute. But yes, I think I'm gonna start uploading Vlogmas daily just because, baby, them hours sitting down editing a week's worth of content or however long I go, it's too much. This last Vlogmas week 2, this mess took 3 days to get it right, to be able to upload. It'll be up live today at noon, but then I'll probably sit and edit this one and have this one up probably by tomorrow. But anyway, I think I'm gonna switch to daily. Let me know how y'all feel about that. But I'm probably gonna just switch to daily because it's just easier, quicker. Get it now. I'm really just staring at myself. I'm talking to y'all, but I'm staring at myself. Can I have a moment? I feel like a real teacher. She's a teacher with her glasses and her cardigan. I feel like a real teacher. All right, let me get back to work. I got about 15 minutes before I have to go cover this class, and I gotta take my lip off. Pictures first. All right, see you on the gram, because I'm finna snap it up with my glasses and my lips. Yeah.
I think they're just talking right here. I think they're just talking. Like for real. I just think they're talking. Okay, one thing is, she thinks she's the boss of everybody in this class. Because when you said that to me, you said you're the only one who talking that loud. Yeah.
All right, so I couldn't give y'all full OOTD this morning because she was running late. And then, you know, the day, there's like really no mirrors. But I think my little teacher outfit for the day is kind of cute. I got my little Fashion Nova. Wow. Fashion Nova. And then I made this shirt. And then y'all know the Ankh Missy flavors. My makeup gone, kind of gone. I started watering this morning because it was brick outside. I said that earlier in the video today. Anyway, I think my little teacher outfit is cute. You know, with the cardigan. Cardigan just reads teacher to me. Huh. And then if I took it off, I had the sleeves. She got style, okay? Look at that teacher. She got some style. This is a look. I should probably take some pics. And a little slouch. Get the pose on. See the full fit. Get the details in the sleeve. What y'all know about taking an OOTD pic? It's the details for me. Get the little, as these pants stretch throughout the day, make the waist a little tighter, a little slouchy so you can get the cuff on the sleeve. Get the shoes. It's a OOTD. Let me take this real quick. Be back. So just got a package from Tiffany. We'll put her ad name on the screen, but we're gonna open this up. Hey now. Hey now. Y'all know we love unboxing, so let me open this real quick, because it's the film for tomorrow. Oh, it's yellow on a chocolate skin. She got it wrapped all cute. Oh, I'm excited. All right. So, first things first. This cute little boat is so cute. We have a hey now. Hey, oh, you can't see it. Curves and cardio. Yeah, about to try that on in a minute. So cute. She has her little tags. And I got yellow. I'm assuming it comes in other colors because I think I saw on her page that it came in blue. She had on a black one. This is cute. Look like it got good stretch. All right, all right. Now let's see this little thigh slimmer. Yeah. Again with the little card. Alright. It's cute. It's like a little teal color. So this goes around your waist. I've shown one of these on my channel before, but now we have a new one. So I can slap this on real quick. Well, I mean, it probably ain't gonna be real quick, but I'm gonna put it on or whatever. Alright. I like this. This feels good. It feels... The Velcro feels strong. The elastane is elastating. Looking at construction, we got lots of space for the big thigh girls like myself or larger. We got room, honey. There's room. I'm ashy. Don't judge me. Oh, that's on there. Hey. Get him up, go. Give it to him. All right, I'm a joke. So, I'm liking this. So now, to try on my little bodysuit. BRB. Just thought this was a raw and real angle to show. Got the bodysuit on. Got the thigh trimmer on. Look at me and all my junk in the back. Real authentic out here. But yeah, I really like the yellow. It fits well. It's a real bodysuit. I thought it was like a swimsuit for a minute, but it's actually a bodysuit. It has a snap closure and a cool wop wop. And yeah, these feel good. They actually feel like they're really gonna stay put. Maybe because I never wear them like on my bare thighs. Maybe like they be slipping with the shorts I be having on. And do we need to try and work out with just these on the thighs and not like shorts in between? Hey, my bouillon look is popping. Pop. I'm a joke, y'all. I really should grow up. I really should. Girl, she got a tummy, but when I say I be putting stuff on and I don't have no waist, okay? Weird. I'm a joke.
There, man. There, right there.
Anyway, I like this. So let me get back to learning this dance so I can actually record the video for her because I still don't know the dance. So I think that's going to conclude today. I really don't feel like I'm about to do anything else but sit and edit. Yeah, so that, ooh, look at him K. Look at him K. And look at him K. I'm a joke. Oh my God. Somebody tell me to grow up. That don't mean I'm gonna do it, but you know, tell me. Anyway, that is gonna conclude today's vlog. I don't know what day it is. I just know it's week 3. We'll say week 3, day 1, because I didn't really do Monday. So there's that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Come back for more VLOGMAS. Yeah. Stay true. Y'all, if I'm talking to the mirror, not y'all. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just trying to practice walking and dancing in these hoes. Because she's going to be a stripper. Y'all talking about. I'm out of here.
The right to be in my fields today. Cause I work too hard, but I love you way more harder. I didn't have my share of being walked all over, now I'm smarter. Ice cold in this bitch. Ice cold in this bitch.